So you don't know how to drift with a bike? That's good, I'm gonna show you. First of all, you should start from just regular burnout or donuts. If you want to do burnout, it's quite easy. Just release clutch and put throttle at the same time. But don't forget to hold front brake. For donuts, it's a little bit different. You release the clutch and put the throttle and turn. Before you do this, I truly recommend you to have bike with the crash cages, because sooner or later you're gonna fall on one side or on the other side. The most painful one is the high sides, but also you can crash really badly just from sliding. For beginning, if you want to learn how to do donuts, keep your foot on the ground. After a while, try to make those donuts wider and try to get rid of that foot from the ground. Next step should be sliding and into donuts. Next step should be 8 figures. You need to get used to it to slide to both sides. That's gonna help you to avoid high sides. All the time is just a game between balance, clutch, throttle, rear brake, or even sometimes front brake. To learn how to drift with a bike, it took at least a couple weeks, couple months, or even couple years. And just take your time. Learn everything step by step. After donuts and 8 figures, just find a very nice corner and just full send it. Let's go. I hope that's gonna help you. See you next time.